Hello, this is Matthew, and this video is for the 1D Combat Simulator Game Challenge by Making Games with Ben. Now, Ben's been doing C++ game tutorials for a while now, and these tutorials are fantastic for anybody who is new to C++ programming like myself. I do have a bit of basic Java programming knowledge from a while back, but I've really wanted to get into C++ programming, particularly game programming. So when I stumbled upon Ben's channel and skipped through a few of his videos, I really enjoyed them. So I've started from scratch from his very first video, and one thing I particularly like about these tutorials is that he gets us to do game challenges. This is fantastic because it challenges our intellect and everything that we've learned up until the game challenge. For this particular challenge, what we've got to do is create our own program where we have two armies and they do battle with each other. And whoever wins, it's completely random. And how we do that is by using a random generator. Now, I've specifically only used everything that we've learned up until now, which is from tutorial 0 to tutorial 8. So anything further than that I haven't yet done yet or haven't implemented in my code. This proved a particular challenge because as my code began growing, and you'll see soon, it became an extreme pain to debug and correct errors and fix little mistakes. Most of my code, you'll see that it's just copy and paste. It's just the same thing over and over and over again, and that's something that where functions and arrays are brilliant at handling. Without those, your code just gets bigger and bigger and bigger as you just keep copying, pasting things, and skipping through the functions videos and arrays videos. Ben makes this evidently clear, and in my program I'm going to show you exactly what he means. So this is my program here, and I mean, it doesn't look like much now, but if you take a look at the line number on the side on the left, and as I start scrolling down, you can see that there are thousands of lines, thousands upon thousands of lines of code. I got down to 48,358 lines of code before I just simply gave up. I just couldn't be bothered doing anymore. Like I said, a lot of the programming was just copy and paste and refactoring just got so incredibly slow that it was taking me about an hour just to change the name of 10 variables. So I stopped doing it, and the game is incomplete, but it still works. It just, a lot of the stuff inside the game you can't do. What I mean in regards to, where variables and functions come in handy is, as I scroll up, you'll see that there's particular patterns in my code, like here and here, where they're basically completely identical. And you could literally create a function for this and just keep calling it with one line of code each and every single time. But because I didn't use functions or arrays, I've had to copy and paste them countless times, and as you can see, there is just so many of them. And even here, just copy and paste. The code just got too hard to debug, too hard to just keep going through every time there was a little error. And there are a few bugs in the game, which I'll show you. I scrolled up for a while there, and I only got up to 46,000 lines. I mean, it's just ridiculous. Anyways, I'll run it. This is my program here, Heroes vs Monsters. Now, I've taken a slightly different approach to the way Ben has done his program. I didn't exactly create large armies. All my armies start off with 5 or less characters where they do battle. I started off with 100,000 credit because as the game is incomplete, and I just wanted to show you a couple of other things that I could have only done if the game was complete. Here we have heroes as 0 because we have no heroes. The population is 5,000, and if you lose a battle your population or the enemy or monsters come in and kill a certain percentage or a certain number of your population. And when that reaches 0, well, the game's over. You're lost. I mean, you're not a hero. You've saved nobody. Here we have wins and defeats. And anyways, this appears to be the first time you are playing this game. In order to start, we need a hero. Unfortunately, we don't have one, so you will have to do because you are human and our virtual world cannot harm you. That means you are invincible, but that doesn't mean you can't be defeated in battle. It just means you cannot die. We need to know your name. Unfortunately, we can only process names between 1 and 10 characters long. Also, no spaces or we go crazy. Now, like I said, I've only used what we've learned up till today, and I'll show you what I mean by no spaces. So if I were to put in M and my last initial, you can see there's a space. The game goes crazy. Here we have, please enter a number. Number must be between 1 and 6. That's for a particular later part of the game. Anyways, and if I were to type in more than 10 characters, it'll just simply come up an error. Name must be between 1 and 10 characters long. Error, name Matthew, characters 12. Then it allows us to type it again. And I'll make it a bit bigger. Okay. Welcome to Heroes vs Monsters, a simple 1D combat simulator where you use your heroes to do battle with monsters. Win battles and earn credits to recruit and or upgrade your hero so you can protect your species from total annihilation. But be careful, any recruited hero that dies in battle are dead for good and you will need to recruit a new one. So, if you remember from what I read here, you are the number 1 hero, you can't die, but you can recruit new heroes. And if those heroes die in battle, well, they're dead for good. You'll have to recruit a new hero. But likewise, if you lose a battle but kill certain monsters, those monsters are dead for good. And you'll see later on as I continue playing. If I press 5, we can see the About game. Your species has lived in peace for hundreds of years, living alone in a small region far from any other civilization. Press 1 to return to the main menu. Now, when it's set up here, where you can do friendly battles, I never implemented this, so it doesn't exist in this particular game. I never got around to actually doing it. Now, if we press forward for statistics, here you can see the current statistics. We can view our heroes here with number 2. Here you can view your heroes. You can also upgrade a hero's health and attack points by entering in the numbers to the left of your hero, or of the hero you wish to upgrade. All upgrades cost 100 credits. So if I were to press 0 or 1 and press enter, I can upgrade my hero, and you can see a little bar. As I upgrade, this bar will increase, and at the end you can see what the actual health points or attack points are. With 3, we can recruit heroes. Here you can recruit a new hero. Every new hero will be 500 credits more expensive than the last. You currently have 1 hero. You can recruit a new hero for 500 credits. So if I were to purchase a hero now, it'd cost 500 credits. But if I were to purchase a third one, then it'll be 1,000 credits and so on. Play game. Here you can choose to do battle with monsters in Conquest or up against friendly rivals and a chance to win some money. If any heroes dies in Conquest, they are dead for good and you will need to recruit more heroes. However, if any heroes are defeated in friendly battle, then it's all good. You just lose some money. Unfortunately, like I said, I haven't done friendly battles, so if I press 2, it just takes me back. I really don't know why it took me back, but it should have just repeated that. Oh well. Anyways, I can go into Conquest though. It seems to be a bug where they're all active. That's not meant to be the case. Only the region 1 is meant to be active, as it's the only region I've actually finished. Well, anyways, if I go to region 3, 4, 5, I have done region 2, No, I haven't done region 2. Okay, I've done region 1. Now, this one works a little bit better. As you can see, all the bases except the first one are locked. The first one is active, so if I want to go to base 2, 3, 4, we can't do it. It just keeps returning us to the menu selection. If we select 1, here we are. We can do battle. And here we can see the heroes, me, and the monsters. We can see the health points and the attack points, and in this case they're both the same. If I go press 1, they'll do battle, and I'm getting annihilated. Yes, come on. I'm gonna lose. I'm dead. After a long and exhausting battle, you succumbed to bitter defeat at the hands of the monsters. You fought bravely on your own, but proved no match for the base. Defeated, there is little that stands in the way of the monsters as they lay slaughtered to the population. Credits lost 230, and you can actually see that it's taken it away from my 100,000 credits. Heroes killed 0 because I'm the only hero and you can't kill me. Enemies killed 0 because I lost. Population killed 10. And it's gone from 5,000 to 4,990. Now if we go back, we can try it as many times as we want because we have no other heroes to lose. Let's see if I can win one. I'm losing. Alright. This is very close. I'm dead. And you can see that there's a bit of a bug where this sort of indents backwards. I do know where that problem is, I just couldn't be bothered fixing it. Anyways, I'm persistent and I want to continue until I win. Now, all these battles are completely random, so I don't know who's going to win. Let's see. Hey, I won! After a long and exhausting battle, you come out victorious. You have successfully destroyed the base and all monsters within it. It's now time to take whatever loot is available and continue on to the next base. Credits 150, heroes killed 0, enemies killed 1, population killed 0. Here you go. Wins 1, defeats 2. So we should be able to see that in our actual statistics, I believe, if I keep going back. Okay, yes you can. So population that has been killed 17, total credits 150, total credits lost 450, and so on. Okay, oops, one is now locked. For base number 2, there is 2 enemies, Monster 1 and Monster 2. They both have the same health points and attack points. Another thing I've implemented in this game is that the more units there are, the more chance that they have for attacking. For example, the monsters, or this particular base 2, has 2 monsters. So for every chance that I have at attacking once, they can attack twice. So this is pretty much a sure loss for me. Okay, yes. I got annihilated. Now credits lost 480. Now the credit system is a bit funky. I didn't really do it properly. It was a bit of a rush job, but it works. Later on you'll see that you get ridiculous amount of credit. I have no chance whatsoever at winning this, so I'm gonna go back. We'll recruit some heroes. Okay, purchase one hero, we'll call him Bob. Let's purchase another one, we'll call him Henry. Another one, we'll call her Keisha. Another one, call him Harry. Now we have recruited 5 heroes. As you can see, I cannot recruit any more heroes. I can only go return. Now if I go to view heroes, here you can view all my heroes: Matthew, Bob, Henry, Keisha, Harry, and I can upgrade individual heroes for when I got the money, and I've got enough money to pretty much fully upgrade every single one of them. But I want to go back into the game, Conquest, Region 1, Base 2, and let's see. I pretty much have 5 heroes versus 2 monsters. I'm pretty sure I'm going to win. And as you can see, just below, this is the health of the current units and their status. None of my heroes got attacked, not a single one. So that was an entire annihilation for the base. Go to 1, go to 10, no, let's just continue battling. 3 monsters. Alright. Monsters have gotten off to a fairly good start. Okay, I think I'm gonna win this. It's pretty clear. And we won. 1,000 credits. Wins 3, defeats 3. We're up to base number 4. Now here we are. As you can see, some of the monsters have much higher health and attack than what we currently have. So despite the fact that they only have 3 and we have 5, they still may have a relatively good chance of beating us. Their total health may be larger. Let's find out. Yes, they are. They start off with 350 health, we start off with 250. But we have more units, so we attack more often. Okay, I'm dead. I think we're gonna lose. I'm gonna lose all my heroes. Come on. Alright, 2 of my heroes are dead. 3, 4, 5. At the end, as my heroes die, I have less heroes to actually hit or attack the enemy. So as they fall, I have less chance of actually attacking. Looks like we're going to have to upgrade a few of my heroes. Now, oh wait, I forgot all my heroes are dead, so I've only got 1 hero left. Oh well, I'm gonna upgrade myself to max, give myself maximum attack, so 1,000 health and 200 attack points, so I should be able to kill them with 1 single hit, if I even get a hit. What is it, base 4? As you can see, let's find out. Alright, the 1 dead, 2 dead, 3 dead. That was easy. 4,800 credits. Let's go to base 5. Oh, it's over. Wasn't even paying attention then. 6. Alright, 5 monsters. Let's find out. Alright. I'm pretty much one-shot killing these. I still managed to get over 100 health points off me. And dead. I win. Let's go finish this base, or this region off. Here we are. Each one of them have 200 health. Doesn't matter. My attack is 200, so I should be able to kill them off in one hit anyway. Like I said. Alright. Base 8. I win. They still managed to get 180 health points off me though. Alright, final boss. Okie dokie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we even got a boss name called Boss 1. Huh. I'm actually losing. There we are. There we are, win. Yeah, for a moment there I got a little bit concerned I wasn't attacking, but I did in the end. Maybe I was just toying around with them. Anyways, go back, back, back. 4 for statistics. And as you can see, the statistics work. Oh, that is my game. And I do not really recommend anybody trying this at home. Please continue on with the tutorials and learn how to do functions and arrays. It'll save you so much time and hassle and makes your programming look so much neater. Anyways, thank you for watching.